Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet cushion designs model. Crochet cushion are decorative pillows made using the crochet technique. Crafters use yarn and a crochet hook to create various stitches and patterns, resulting in a textured and visually appealing fabric. Crochet cushions can add a cozy and handmade touch to home decor. Here are some tips for beautiful crochet cushion cover designs. Select appropriate yarn. Choose a yarn that suits your desired cushion size and complements your home decor. Consider the texture and durability of the yarn. Pick the right hook size. Use the recommended hook size for your chosen yarn to achieve the desired tension and stitch definition. Choose a pattern. Decide on a crochet pattern for your cushion. This could include different stitch patterns, color changes, or even textured designs. Gauge swatch. Make a gauge swatch to ensure your stitches match the pattern's requirements. Adjust your hook size if necessary to achieve the correct gauge. Proper sizing. Measure your cushion insert or intended pillow size to ensure your crocheted cover fits well. Adjust the number of stitches and draws accordingly. Blocking. Block your crochet pages before assembly. This helps even out stitches and gives your cushion a polished look. Seaming. Pay attention on how to join or seam your crochet pages. Neat and secure seam contribute to the overall appearance of the cushion. Insert and closure. Consider the type of closure you want for your cushion cover, such as buttons, zippers, and envelope style. Ensure it accommodates easy insertion and removal of the cushion. Experiment with colors. Have fun with color choices. Whether you prefer a monochromatic look or a vibrant palette, experimenting with colors can add personality to your crochet cushions. Finishing touches. Add any embellishments or decorative elements once your cushion is assembled, such as tassels, buttons, or embroidery, to enhance its visual appeal. Texture variety. Explore different crochet stitches to create texture in your cushion cover. Mixing stitches like bubbles, cables, or popcorn stitches can add interest. Pattern placement. Pay attention to the placement of your chosen crochet pattern on the cushion. Consider symmetry and alignment to achieve a balanced and professional look. Practice tension control. Maintain consistent tension throughout your project to ensure uniformity in stitch size. This is crucial for a polished and professional finish. Care instructions. Choose yarn that is easy to care for, especially if the cushion will be used frequently. Check and follow care instructions for both the yarn and the finished cushion. Customization. Feel free to modify patterns or add personal touches. Crochet cushions offer ample room for creativity, allowing you to make unique designs that suit your style. Blocking techniques. Learn different blocking techniques to shape and size your crochet pieces effectively. Blocking can smooth out any irregularities and enhance the overall appearance. Stitch markers. Use stitch markers to keep track of specific points in your pattern. This can be specifically helpful when working with intricate stitch combinations or repeating patterns. Lining. Consider adding a fabric lining to your crochet cushion cover for added durability and a polished interior finish. Tension relief. Take breaks to avoid hand fatigue and maintain a relaxed tension. This ensures a more enjoyable and comfortable crocheting experience. Joining markers. Explore various methods for joining crochet pieces. Depending on your project, you may prefer seamless joins or decorative etchings to enhance the final look of your cushion cover. Yarn color changes. If your pattern involves changing colors, learn how to make clean and seamless transition. Weaving in ends neatly will contribute to a professional looking finish. Read the entire pattern. Before starting, truly read the entire crochet pattern. This helps you understand the construction, stitch sequences, and any special instructions, reducing the likelihood of mistakes. Blocking tools. Invest in blocking tools like pins and mats to make the blocking process more effective. Proper blocking enhances the depth and shape of your crochet pieces. Temperature considerations. Choose the appropriate yarn for the climate. Cotton or lightweight yarns are suitable for warmer weather, while wool may be preferable for colder seasons. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.